Hey there, Forever Happy family. We're in the dark. But, you know, I finished lesson 5 with do what you love. And me and Linda, we're going to go explore. We love to travel. We love to visit places. So we're going to go explore the Sandias today, and we're going to bring you along with us. It's a shame that they have to use this for their radio towers and stuff, but I guess it's necessary. Well, forever happy family. Now you've seen Sandia Crest, and you know, this weekend is a weekend of remembrance. You know, Memorial Day is Monday. We remember all the men and women who have died serving this country in our wars, and this is what they're fighting for. This is what I'm fighting for. You know, this beautiful country. And you know, in the 5 steps we talk about separating yourself from your past. Don't let your past define you, but you know, it is important to not forget where you come from either, or who came before you, and the things that they did to make it possible for you to do the things that you do. So I hope you enjoyed our little trip up here. It seemed like it was going to take forever. The video is going to make it look like it took about, I don't know, a minute. But beautiful country we live in. It's kind of why I have an RV instead of flying everywhere. Otherwise you wouldn't get to see all this. I mean, just amazing views, an amazing country, and happy to be able to bring you guys up here. Just remember, stay safe, keep smiling, be happy, and until next time, goodbye.